This is Daniel from SoundLabs headquarters, and let me introduce our first YouTube channel ever. Me and Whiteout decided to make a content that can help you to stand out from other producers. And let me introduce our first template made in a SAP house genre, with a complete vocal and MIDI stems. Also, we are giving away a sample pack for free, so make sure to check it out. But now, let's go straight to template.
In the hands I feel